In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually log records, call, note, email, or meeting in Hubspot. Logging activities on Hubspot is a great practice for staying organized and keeping your team updated. Whether it's calls, emails, notes, or meetings, each interaction adds valuable context to your contacts. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you're on the Hubspot homepage. This is your starting point, and if you haven't already done so, log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be at HubSpot's main dashboard. From here, you want to head over to the CRM section. The CRM is where you'll spend most of your time managing and interacting with contacts. Next, you'll click on Contacts. This will take you to your list of contacts, where you can view all the individuals or companies you have on record. Choose the contact you want to log an activity against. This selection will open the contact's record page containing their details and historical interactions. To log an interaction, look for the More menu, typically located near the top of the contact's activity timeline. Clicking this will drop down additional options you're looking for. Go ahead and select Log a Call. Here, you'll enter the call details, including any important notes or action items that arose during the conversation. Remember, clarity and detail are your friends here. These notes can be crucial for later discussions or for keeping others on your team in the loop. After typing in your notes, you'll see options to either call, email, make a note, or log a meeting at the top of this menu. These are your primary activity logging options, each serving a unique purpose. Let's say you need to log an email instead. Simply click on Email. A new interface will appear, designed specifically for recording email exchanges. Just like with calls, you'll want to jot down key points from your email conversation, any follow-up actions, and perhaps next steps. If it's a note you wish to write, for instance, after an internal team discussion about a contact, just choose Note from the menu. This is the perfect spot to capture essential points from meetings or brainstorm sessions relevant to the contact you're working on. And remember, these notes are powerful because they add depth to your contact records. Lastly, if you had a meeting with the contact, select Meeting and fill in the details just like you would with the other interactions. It's another way to maintain a comprehensive timeline of the engagements you've had, showing your contact history at a glance to everyone on your team. Being consistent with logging these interactions in HubSpot helps you keep everything streamlined and efficient, plus it nurtures a collaborative environment where every team member can understand the current status and past activities with any given contact. So that's it, thank you for following along. Happy HubSpotting!